journalists are called journalism school. No money ethics, no money journalism ethics. No ye juma. The media honest, mutie. I am a dom. Say Chamamu to me. Say Wakwati. Say Dr. Kwesitum. Say Kwame Despite one. Say I don't go. It is a media houses are and then all it's carefully be media houses. Politicians be media houses. More due to this because the media, we don't have professionals, but we have practitioners. You see, they are practitioners. They are not professionals. I'm not practicing media, I'm not practicing journalism, but they are not professionals because they are not a body of knowledge. They are not a license regime. They only fall on the constitutional provision that gives everybody the right, freedom of expression, freedom of thought. What do I say? Freedom to be a constitutional provision. So, yeah, freedom. Obi to be channel drink. Obi a journalist. They're taking advantage of them, and people have joined the profession and are abusing the press. They are abusing the freedom. In fact, and now who be radio stations are. Who journalists are. No money at a team. And the Ghana for some more problem. So journalists for the mutual. Obi say cat smart. On your journalist. On your professional. And a journalist, so you know, one can smart on your FM and power. Or you concert is yeah. No, did you attempt for what I say? No, I can't boost myself for no, the town of Poponim. How many am I share? Who's your chief? But we should call UTV. UTV. And not GTV. Where the practitioners, those people who know those people who want to use the ethics. GTV, there's decorum. Temporal is very measured. The Kenyans are saying, oh, you need the attempt. GTV, UTV, who so be the attempt. For the big amount coin, amount the attempt, from this like amount coin, the attempt, who call GTV, the body structures, the journalists there are well cultured, behaved. They don't talk by heart. They don't talk by heart. What do I say? By now, who got a station? Like TV3, general media. And then general media are allow a lot of so-called journalists. They are employing people not based on competency. General media, and I'm being frank and honest with you. What I say, instead of you going out there to look for journalists, you go school at senior mo. Nobody competent, nobody the rules, nobody ethics here, Jumano. No, media general is interested in slave queens. Captain Smart, we did attempt with all the stations. DTV, we took out the attempt to go for Mmra. Then you have Felicia say, this is a slave queen. It will what here? TV3, anyway. On the hills, or tweak, not Jane, or boom, or the hair, or the say. The TV, general media is recruiting those kind of journalists because Homona amount for TSA because Omuka some I can say the attempt. And to share media general these days, no, on TV station, Chino, and yet it's made up of those. You have a lot of journalists question marks. Then we also share, I say, multimedia group. Mr. Kwesitum, I mean, no. True, I mean, be multimedia. You see, look, I speak with pain. But since the relationships are Abrabo Mudino, media general, some of us know. Now, you don't hold down. When we feel Ampaw, TV3, and the people are not to one apart. Let me hear newspaper analysis. TV3, let's petition when they say hearing. So TV3, any media general, I'll be there. What do I say? Media programs. Our TV3, media general, TV, no be a mere anti. My year tomorrow on your TV, my normal programs, they call me. But I'm being frank. More say because of the kind of people you are recruiting into your fold. And about multimedia as well, the same thing. And then we have a lot of some of the media people know they are resorting to insults. They are not building any content, and multimedia constitution you are comfortable. But you see, no pay Abrabo can be tell they were saying Nicole meaning me for no omo journalist kwa hotel hona on the attended kwa internet mami fa kwanya su enwo ni media owners mu fi the Supreme Court kan here mu fi Supreme Court in the famous case of Muntie Trey mu fi na nyami hra kufu because okay bibi very interesting, very not interesting. Okay bibi on my warning, on the warning media owners, and I think say this one we have not taken clue. We have not taken clue. I love owners. Media people not abiding by some platform. Eddie did the attempt, Eddie call for, Eddie young blackmail, Eddie agenda, Eddie say more for dear. You can be set for contempt. You will be held liable for whatever your station is doing. What did I say? Supreme Court judgment Muntie Trey. That's what the Supreme Court said. Or see, every media house is piano, the owners, the directors, the officers of the media houses, you will be held responsible and accountable for the behavior of your journalists, backer journalists, and your host. Me responsible. Chama to remember 2 hours. Na me tia. The minimum attemidie ane say na me kan say me na me go ma for hu fi na me didi atam yesu mia ye be su chama untumi say me can be na enya court drag me a chama untumi we go face the consequences. That is what it means. Until we are honor of the media houses are the case of Muntie Trey is an example. Supreme Court decided that case very well during President Mmra time. They fined the owners of the media houses. Ebony Arizako was fined 30,000 Ghana cedis. What did I say? I told how many was fined because they were the owners. And the Muntie Funu what they fined in jail for 4 months. You have to take President Mills, President Thomas to pardon them. That case, no. Muntie Trey, no. Do you know what they did? That they were invited into a program. Radio Gold. Muntie, Radio Gold station. Send them TV3. Our 3 program on your FM. Now Radio Gold. I be me fear. Radio Gold. I me fear. What crano? On all the journalists are coming. Say, if I come with your in here, and some of us were watching them like this. If they go there, that's that time. No, now it is a radio go there. Take now, Mmra Muntie Trey, you host them. Now, almost see, hey, Supreme Court at decided case. I decided the credibility of the Electoral Commission. Whether voters are not clean and not clean. Now Supreme Court can say, voters are not clean, you go clean. No, Muntie Fonu say, Omutia pipe bomb. And they went on the insult and threat split. It is almost started to say, Omukotel radio station, and Chief Justice at them, Judge Wood at them, and you know, threatening the whole judiciary. So, they know their house, they are coming after them. It's a Nyamu. Now, assembly hey or maybe. Now the owners of the radio station, not the frequency the man is a call, the frequency not the man Muntie Funu. And I told her any board members of Radio Gold, any Montier, any officers like the general manager, and those management in the ano, you drag you to Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court can in the Montier case no. Moko can ruling no me okulu ni wa. Ubo Montier case. Montier 3 case ruling no life. Supreme Court can say it's time say radio owners you be hold them accountable and responsible for and misbehavior of more panelists and hosts. It is a we obia we radio station now who host who confer guest on the only man so be the attempt. What do I say? Mokai lo Ampaw. What do I say? Bra, kwame despite the me hu ni mobo. Me hu kwame despite bobo. Me hu we I say we so bobo KK support hu bobo. Because me drag UTV e court no. Na ye di asem na wi aye train judgment no. Na get say me come despite. Any KK support count. Because they are the owners of UTV. And if you allow the host and then your guests you give them issue when they are dragging them to court. So let me drag you for a Dixon. Maybe for a Dixon, now Mama Brown A plus when you are court no. Now can say me quite despite any KK support count. But they are the owners of the station. It is a warning to everybody. Even to me. Chama utu go tremia radio station na ye no ava man comfort na omunya irresponsible journalism. Was about the sa mu honest no onim Supreme Court in that case Supreme Court can say bra mu tie for the d that is not term na omo hwe no you could be so honest and say, Moti, I'm saying, station in the mountain tea. And to the Yamuti telephone, no, Omenti, Omunim, na Obi, na actual mason, no Moti, Podocano, almost suspended my super say, hey, we are irresponsible owners. We are irresponsible directors of a company. Money board directors of the company, of the media house. And by the same say, more we are responsible for the policy guidelines. You are the head and the mind and brain of the media house. Now, more employed Kofua. The money man at the day really blackmailing. Now, say, Asama Babu say, Munim. And the Supreme Court, actually, Ariza Court, so, Miss Ariza Court, what 200 come now, 200 million. All the officers. And there are so many cases, directors of companies. And their officers have been dragged to court. Say, they've allowed their workers to go on board, insult, attack, defame, commit contempt. It is the media. It's a wake-up call. The Supreme Court decision is still relevant, reminding you. What do I say? Hey, now, Mmra, the issue of and the journalism I hear work. The journalists, but see, I'm talking about this thing because of Anas. You see, the media no. Because of the role we play. It's the Amamu Krapono. You were 3 arms of government. You were Mmra, that's the legislature. You were executive, Mmra. No more develop policies. And the judiciary almost say, a better memo, ya enforce the laws. No more media, no. The fourth estate. The fourth estate, meaning, parliament fear, no judiciary fear, no executive fear. One of the most critical governance institution. Say you bomb pan, media, if you mean, you have a very critical role to play. And in that sector, no, should be guided. In our democracy, in our dispensation, we are passing rule of law, democracy, democratic institution, you can't do away with the media. Because see, the media has been given a role to inform us about the Akoso Wabemu. They have a duty to inform us. The parliamentary here, the executive here, the judiciary here, the government appointees here, they inform us. And that's what they do. But most of the times, no, you need to bring why you need the Akoso, but the media need these stories in the back. So it's critical. Information is not expensive. It is, we need anything we will not get information. We will live in the dark. Only apart from information, no, the whole government responsible and accountable. Only so say, abani ya ejuma, abani ajo say ya ejuma, abani was working in the interest of government, and they do it in a language that is temperate. Only do it in a language that is civil. Only do it in a language that is acceptable. But today, journalism, and then the kind of journalism I am practicing by this so-called journalists is, instead of holding government accountable, they turn that into insults. Minya, Bibisao, Chef President Nanado, Oyibibi, na Ufo said, oh, you know, and Mmra and Kwa. At the beginning, so account. But then you have Captain Smart, you have Jantua. What did I say? To be say president, arrogant. Jantua. To be say President Nanado, arrogant. Jesus Christ. Jantua. Kodo Jantua, Samuel Kodo Jantua. To me, I mean, so social media say no so. Say, 37-year-old boy. Now, president already 80 years. What we shop up penny because I say, oh yeah, umaswo. Just because who opportunity to host a program. I don't know, Captain Smart, Kevin Taylor. I can name them. And now, instead of holding government accountable, who say governments, double your name, you know. Nothing did say, Papa Yadi. Imagine say, Mimia, grant a soft father. Epema na for the kofa oba be fie na oye abofra na ko for the nim na oye chop money ba ko first na you say daddy onimi bi me hwe onim amu se pa wogi mi pa for that hwe onim dia wonim an de udu sika ye masem seb daddy yantetew seb daddy we aboa we kwasea. Is that how you speak to your father? Is that a language? Now we are see me respect your father. We also say daddy me but accommodate me to my chop money. How would your father feel? But imagine say when you go and you see your father there patrol Mr. Beji me chop money. That is the chop money ma we you know. Oba no call you know. No call say that the patrol. Bibi ha me na pese me no susu kakra. That the patrol we dey sebi Mr. Da. And again say be die. Ah. Omo nye o. Omo ya monsanfo bibiri wo ace. Bibiri so eyusu sika, eyusu edro for men. E dey chame. Ebi mu so wan hwe a na o scandal. Ebi mu so ha na ambehu ko be gu wawado ye. Ebi mu so kra na da ambe kum. Ebi be se wadwuma, ebi be se wani onyam. Ti da me srewo. Se man no ye wadan fofo a me srewo. Da we dey akwala adwen na mechime. Na wa hwe wonso ye because ya yen da e dowo. Da uyo bi a unyi ncha be boye. Bi emma mienu wi. Ina na ya me nchira wo be wano so. Ina na ni papa beti na sam. GTV and a lot of media houses be able to say journalists no ho ye temi omo ya tete omo fie etino omo chia ba nim omo criticize aban omo hold accountable ni aban ye enye no mo ye but omo ye no in a temperate language omo ye no woni die so obo so Nsem o Brazil ba yanu mu die you did the attempts and no radio station television station here attended the penny something I didn't know me about no wonder said Jesus is kola na na do kra atua mu fie HSS na na do twa mu school fees amom because of this journalists are mabudi and more of them only know say mudi atem no and then make you know them those who have been insulting and attacking you can attack but not insult you know them mona mama kola kitikiti so camera no mudi pedi atem nya saka country ben akola only 15 years 20 years to be sure penibu na sound for no future and no me na all the mom so now say most so na me bi so ikola yi some parents am for man ko na ya deliver mo spiritually ya question because you see Bible say di unna no we jani na unkwa awade wasase so it is am kola yi mom kan say bia omususa no it was spiritual implication and the more we did attempt no question I don't make I don't know how to make more we did attempt to make the president here arrogant and attempt to question what did the president no attempt bia ba ma attempt bia mu question what penimu bia wa memu no we attempt question not says Ampaw because you see, so we be 70, 80. I call it that the age, no. It takes the grace of God, oh. It takes the grace of God, oh. Now, because of education, because of journalism, you know, motiva na attend the day and then draw national member. Say them. Follow go court. Obi chan togu so asema ni pakoro kai no enye true a follow court and nothing but the journalists now no the thing say who did you open that table then you are holding them accountable no you see muko di no wonder muko di mamu ntumi nda so I'm telling you today a deeper revelation I make catch one any journalist be obey the president atem obey the opinion atem no ntumi nda o dai so nye o kwaso ate o be bre any case o be bre because that spirit no be until that insult be deal with you and the powerful thing is that some journalists are Mmra minimum papa wo bi se kavitela ni mama papa wo mama papa wo problem o kavitela mama papa wo problem o kabisma to mama papa wo hey and other journalists o ya say other journalists amudi atam no mo mama papa mo wo pa hey if you be work ya fe wo mitwe na mo so camera na me didi president mama atam na me did not attempt obi oni mi adwin bia na agwagwasa me mpon na mama by da frame me mpon and too far frame me mpon you know about mother but their spiritual mother and the spiritual mother na me mpon and me mama akota Gladys okodi 90 years be frame and so frame obi so kobra and yes na make no and yes na make say be so we did pay for time me bu so pay be frame me krom hini amono krom be frame me it can smart me don't so we did atam no omo hayfo na kan smart dey na on the Pentecost ko mo Pentecost o to did Pentecost pay atam Pentecost mo problem o most Pentecost entity be na me can smart say ono to be the Pentecost pay atam now I call it Pentecost. Today I'm not talking about Christ, but I'm talking using journalism as an institution. And then you pay institutional edidia temper journalism, the media, they are leading the pack. The insult and attack, bang, 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 bang. Look, it's all happening. And now let me also come and deal with you, the journalists. And then the woman so. You see, I'm not going to say the journalism profession is untouchable. You can't hold them or say, oh dear, they will touch you. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, what time? Oh dear, oh 2 years exposed. Oh dear, oh 2 church go so. Oh dear, oh 2 black belly. Oh dear, oh 2 months away. Now, oh my say, you know, who dear, timber for now come home. Now hold them responsible and accountable for what they have done. Then you see them, the same people, hey, gagging the media, and the media freedom of press is under threat. Freedom of the press is under threat. Then they start singing the song. Now Ghana Journalists Association ought to be controlling. Ghana Journalists Association ought to be control journalists. Only who are journalists in the country, a confused association. Association can say I am confused. Or the Ghana Journalists Association is a confused association. They don't know their members. They don't know who is part and who not part. They don't apply their ethics. They are just there. And then they also come and issue statements and a press freedom. Then you have the moment the journalist is being taken on for irresponsible journalism, the moment we take on the journalism, then you see people talking, and the press is under threat. It's under what? It's under what? Look at how you operate. When the media houses have become an institution of insults, when the media attempt, you did not attempt to say, and the journalist is an attack. When the don't see tweets without fact, without evidence, without anything. No account, no investigation, no fair reporting. Yachadi was Machadi media house. Machadi for 22 years. Media law. What did I say? Defamation, journalism sources, contempt of court, copyright. What did I say? Media ethics. Where is ethics? It's only this country a journalist decide to do one-sided story. Until I say no, publishing on Facebook. No, and you see, you do all these things, you know. When they also decide to attack you, I say you are trying to attack. Look at Anas Feno say investigative journalist so who to whom be the Anas in them. Anas is Shasi and you be it will be a strong defenders of Anas. Strong defenders. In fact, I defend Anas to the say, we can say what is Anas is doing is legal. Because you see, if you use criminal method to elicit evidence to expose criminality, it's legal. Some of us defended Anas. They were even, some people were talking about entrapment. I say, entrapment, forget about entrapment. You should be responsible enough to be able to avoid being entrapped. You're carrying in defense of Anas, Ampaw. Social media, you can see some of my arguments in favor of Anas. But my recent dealing with the media, you see, I just said, Obi ni Morgana ha. Minimum lo ni bia. Sebi. Oya media friendly like Maurice Ampaw. The whole Ghana. Me who lo bia wa Ghana. We will cover and the current lawyers are working hard. They are media friendly. Meanwhile, you need one. The whole Ghana in a day more than 30 radio stations framing. The whole radio stations in Ghana Makasa order I say me a guest, and now me a panelist, and now me chairman drink. All the major TV stations have hosted me before. Name UTV, name I'm everywhere. And now we go to Ampaw everywhere. I make news every day. When I cough, it's news. When I sleep, it's news. Friendliness. And the journalists call Ampaw without preparation. Besides journalists for Ghana, all the media houses, UTV, that's that group of companies. Me Kazuto and make UTV. To they did the entertainment show, United Showbiz. I'm there. I make the news there. When you come to the radio station, PCF and everything, my news are there. Over multimedia, them. I was a regular panel. What did I say? On their program, the law program, hosted by what I say, a journalist here, or your slim and the Mmra Kofi TV, Kofi, Murefi, on my law program. I have been on multimedia. There's no platform in multimedia, including Ishra FM. Ishra FM, they call me for interview. Every journalist, every station in Ghana, I partner with Ampaw. And I know what you do. You can't be on media. The media for one that's Ghana. When I speak, please listen. I know the media people. Minimum didi, minimum dom, minimum da, minimum tupai. So when I speak, listen. There's no journalist in this country, and I dare every journalist. I am daring every journalist in this country. Listen to me what I'm saying. Journalists need be a new on G Sika. Our event organizer. I'm a friend solid. Moko programs are. You wear the envelopes at Shambom, and the bribery, and the corruption, and the influence. Of me, want to be the envelope. No. Now you tell to make it say if you want one more envelope. No. Then they come to the organizer. If you want me to do the story, you have to give me some for my producer, for my editor. See, look, I'm too much for you. Ghana media houses, I'm too much for you. Because you see, me and Ampaw, minimum side for 21 years. Nipa will introduce you to the media and make it your Mami Dokon. And you can before be there, lawyer, no, Mami Dokon started so useful. It will be the media house for 21 years of my life, no. Many media for the cool. Menimu konebo, menimu niao, menimu ye sumo, menimu nyama mojiyo, menimu dewa mutata politicians so, menimu backbelly and skills so, menimu throw, menimu enyao. Tell you tell your Ampaw. Menimu country media houses failed to go and correct stories. You take solid. A book like G envelope, almost publishing story, you know. And I bribe, I influence. The media houses are going to be paying yet. You can't tell me some pay, I'm paying yet. You broke up in Tomoka. They don't pay you. They don't pay you. Everyone here, internship, and if no pay. You pay yet. And the Amuya say. Say, guess no bad, I'm going to be mommy be. La sula, get them media houses. La sula, Jessica, I'm corrupt. Today I'm exposing you. Today I'm exposing the media. I'll do part 1, part 2, and then part 1. Exposing of the media and the journalists in this country, including us, me exposing you. Me say more. One, more just solid, more programs are. You have more envelopes before the public story. Muji had to catch everybody say, and some who editors, and some who know the story is published. Muji Sika, you kill stories. They don't listen in this country. Some of you Muji Sika to kill stories. Some of you Muji Sika for agenda. If you want us to analyze your program, pay. Muya dariga mo media houses no, mo bosses no, mo jiwo, mo jisika wa underground, mo bosses secret pool nim. The owners of station don't know. Mo agenda. And mo jisika kiti. You are corrupt. The media in Ghana, you are very highly corrupt than the politician. The media is corrupt than the politician. Who does that mean? You are highly corrupt. The media in Ghana. When you want the corrupt institution in Ghana, is the media. Maurice, Ampaw. I make a tell today I'm after. Look, I will deal with you people. The media houses, no. I will deal with you. You are highly corrupt. You couldn't announce you are corrupt. But when you say that the agenda, you pretend to be doing journalism, but you know what you are doing. And then most of the media houses, when to cast, when you see, you people don't declare your source. Media houses, look, and then journalists are almost sit down. Every apartment too. Every the range more. Every die 10, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every more companies so, every more ties so, every more transfer, every more bosika papa. You be to say, on bucket tray. Right from the highest journalists in this country. Come say for Kamo, Market, including all the journalists in this country. Declare your source of income. And let's begin to also go and check your wealth. The media, the politicians are corrupt, and the pastors are corrupt, and the other institutions are corrupt. Society is corrupt, but you are part of society. The media house today, after Christmas, I'm on you. I'm going to expose you for the things you do. You are hating the nation by your agenda. You are evil. Most of you are evil. Diabolic. Very, very diabolic vampires. Blackmailers. And you've entered the profession and you're destroying Mother Ghana. Look, you're doing this before. Politicians for agenda. Just kind of businessmen for agenda. Program prayer crown Obi one person you analyzing a program and so Jessica. Your media house, they take huge money before they drop stories. We will not do the story, bring money. You know yourself. You know that I know. No, maybe also agenda and say, look, me, I've been don't tell me. I don't want to talk. With the journalists are they are going to one rich man person. Or they the envelope just to come and promote a program. Moko Jessica the promote programs. Moko Jessica the destroy programs. Moko Jessica they do propaganda. That is why I always believe in Shatawale. Shatawale is saying the truth out of pain. But who is listening? These same media people, they are the ones who corrupt the politicians. And they will come and sit down and pretend that they are not corrupt. But to them, they are the ones who corrupt the politicians. Maybe so, some politicians say, media houses no more. Any journalist in this country who can say, media, politicians escape that. I just want to see any single journalist in this country where on Jessica free politician and now a guest and now to do a story. They will tell me it as a gift. Media say you remember a gift, but politician receive it now also for receive a corruption. You see the media people. Who are Jumana? Who bano? No interview no. Ochale we pray boss say whom you. One who not remember. Even selection of guests, there were people who pay to appear on programs. They don't appear as guests on programs. Your program now host the chi, now producer for the chi. You see, you do all these things to corrupt the landscape, and then when you finish, no more people know. Other say, and the nation is corrupt. Who dare you? The hypocrisy of the media. The hypocrisy of the media. Now, then, you see, we are in this country when Anas. So, yes, Posey. And look at the entrapments. Utu baby na Anas aba. Now, what's the agenda? Anas before Anas bebano. No agenda wo. No bieko huno. Actually kawo. Ama no jumo. It on just can answer on negotiating. That's the influence. And if for Anas to do expose no, now obi I already said obe sponsor. Obe iska. And the motivation is that I'm going to do my master's work. Is it not corruption? Anas, can you do your investigation without money, without people contacting you? What? You don't love Ghana. You love your own love bottom. Anas, I'm telling you today. Until Oma Osika to go and trap people. No. When you take that money, when you are going to trap Osua, look at the method. When you that say Anas, it's simple. Minia, shall Anas bow on chain. No kasa. Nya ebe implicate you. Nya ebe ma who say what some you no ekipi. Nya ebe ma wadi bim no adebete. They be the stories no. Pick, choose, delete. No case any, no any editing. We are not talk about thing. I witnessed some. Alas, when I got this information, I was terrified. Alas, if you this within Alas the buying to others were left vulnerable. Some judges were protected, while some other judges were open. And Anas, till all the journal colonial, no video journal. Say, Okodu Hono, your class and Oji Dino. Meaning, he meant say, what the devil fear Christmas. No, nobody could say Jigaonje. Bakudia or Tikotrumo. No, that's the one who say, oh, person who judge. No, so judge in here. Oh, person who judge. Also, when about yeah, met with Dakuno. Oh, Pierre, or Pierre, I could be another dignity and manifest this. No chat. Or say, I did bribe. But he knows our Uti office. No, be so base who boss. Now, so, boss, one of your now, corner so, Jessica. Discovery, no try, only. You see, they bro, my money say, you're not true. You tell me, don't do any bribe. Don't do any accuse of my phone. The Bible said, you're only done to Bobano. Ghana, the way Ghana, Timothy, baby, you will be why silly at Chono. Oh, I say, now, who of our what is the children? Oh, Patrol, no, who do such a bottom? No, Jessica. And you will know the enemy bribe. Police need a general or business can not start to discuss. I said, okay. No police G, yeah, no work can say police for your corrupt. Now they're corrupt. Why do you know who show bottom of which is canon? Who is the bad giver? No, you take her. And the politicians but to a bar. Yeah, the Muchiko Jessica. Are we not taking bribe? And then assembly member na okoji assembly member na odi sika won ho o cause o trade the school fees and the parliament MP say mo ko salaya mo ko sika won ho no anya corruption MP no sika no way na chuma ni to memu na ye jai na ya target obi kakra bi na nda samba na edi mi ka akwohwe the video wo a ko hwe video no me about so because who ko hwe video na wo hwe no na ye no wo die na wo hwe no o ka say o ye o da say waji me wa no wo yo ko for Ampaw say no o hwe no that's the truth of the matter. That is the truth of the matter. You see, of following the actual. Don't understand it you. Don't know the following the actual, but the other connection on your comfort. That's what that's what I say. Until you be some man. Hey, where the your crowd? Where the your crowd? But who tries to also tell the way you know? Say it is that thing that you say. No, it applies to us in Ghana. We corrupt the politicians. And MPP for maybe some hope. Police station elections are more no. You delegates no man this guy. Regional constituency elections no. Delegate man this guy. Regional man this guy. National man this guy. NDC. Yamuye no say man this guy. Na mo ji say na me area na amas ko ba ko wi na and you see look at the parliament yet to me the parliament is say to be kase o ye ba bi o parliament o to be kase o obi di ba but ye ji wi na de kwa no ye wo kat ya na mutaka muka say parliament dey we dey bribe energy dey I dey boy boss omo dey omo say omo ya no omo ba ka o and dey ka o parliamentarians what it ho o dey say corruption power cause of parliament no and dey ka o e mo na makasa o dey expose ya ba na mo ji na anas akoji area abaye expose na ya crucify one person o mai bra ye beni ya the Bible say o mai ya ye sitin ya se no sa mai ne bre o mai biara ye man tantini ye juwa no sa mai ne bre ye no mo mai no so mai ne bre ye beni ya ne say ye fa tantini ye duma mai mo ye na ya chum no bi no Usha politicians na fiti eto be hwe na mama nenim president nenim na me hwe abangba nenim na me hwe NDC awura du so nim na me hwe okudato ba kwa nim na me hwe NDC for and no more position na mo fra MPP for corrupt and we are say Yesu kaso Yesu Christo batome ma na mo we share the politician na often na for police is all corrupt we share the way this parliament to finance minister ano Jesus Christ na me share this we share committee na ya form na me show mu this ano mo can you are not taking this again meanwhile all those who are seated other committee ya no se nyame pie ni ye ho mo titi ho na ko mu nia obi abeja de oye no nya chom ne ti omemu na me dey na se for yata call ye oh it's easy to accuse oh and why we and then look at the day no na uni dey ya na me so be choka ya me be mo tell ni mo guase a do no ye o man o ka say your life o dey say ofurata tell for no the accusers of ofurata no say oh ye censorship no in life and in life also you who say no ofurata expose woman how honest and truthful can ofurata has been in this presentation I hope that say represent here no quality And he was apt. All the propaganda follow back to the same saving MPP from Pokrana. Almost call for no resignation. It's better to Furata. Somebody resign, they defend yourself and resign honorably. That's what it is. Dismantle the propaganda and the lies and the evil. And when you finish, tell the people of Ghana, the Nipa be yebi. I'm in here. Meko. Julius after me, Mmra. Munsumuho, na munsumuma. Na one that would be Munsu. Na man kai kedufura. Sada Ghana for you to batie. Ye bonya to the sense. Yes, you could call by the way by no cano. Everything is crucify him. Sada Subatia. Ghana for be ye body a highest, the highest level. Now, no, by the first 3-4 years, no, now, show boy, free education. Now, show boy, free water. Now, show boy, free electricity. Now, show boy, free way, not to tell them so. More benefiting from free education. Omwa ofurata ekopesika di be show me school. And then amu na me twa mo se crucify him no. That was it la. What's that? Omo ye Jesus Christ no. No me buy omo so no. Yesu ba ye di so memle nye. Sa o to bia sempo a susu kana asem. We see ye mama. Modi ye mama Ghana phone bi. Oyo obeye bi o. Obi benefiting from mama policies and program. But you see what you did to mama. They are doing the same to the Nado. And you see, it shows say young Ghana you didn't be or may more tibino. In fact, you didn't be a po. You didn't be because you knew correct. You knew principled. You're so yummy. You're so yummy. And you know, Obi time for that, care for that take. Obi wa care for that. Nanipa, you see, one can say, MP no wo agogo no. Apia could be very careful. In fact, you are making agogo constituency and unattractive. This old take for letter to the sense of Ampaw. What is using itself well? Now, we are pursuing and then a quarrel. If I don't confirm, tax. Say, Momo tax na ebe bano. Na moto, can you say, I can only know 1%. Into 1%. It's not. What kind of lifestyle is this? And Nipa say, and the appear could be open MPD. Who they say a pamu card dada? Who ye anti MPP? Who pay Korea? Listen to me. Nipa trust you. You see any bonus? What do you tell me, sir? What do you know? Why? Intermediate because when the name say, can you forget that? Yami show no more who buy. Nipa ba yebi, na ba ni nia. Me dey am evidence me hwa wono na me hu say munya no munimi aye botin. Because they even have to withdraw some of the accusations. And why you am watanfo kra ni ewu. Oh, I told you watanfo ni wu a na fe dey omu do mo ka na fe dey on be some topic no. But in shanka ya me say what prove say o dogana mai na yasi die nipa ni na be do na nipa je na pe wasam o nipa so ni apa wasam ababu say due but Se uye nyame adwuma no ye ne ye a akotua no so. Eno so. Prosperity will judge you. But I'm warning the journalists in this country. Say, Musuru Mubai, and the way you people you are conducting yourself in this country, no, is the reason why Ghana is where it is. Because the journalists in this country, no, a lot of you are not honest. You are not fruitful to your profession. You are abusing first freedom. You are engaging in backbailing. You are threatening the democracy you practice. You are not true. You are hypocrites. Every negativity behind the kernel in the press is carrying. No wonder. You see, the so-called journalists now, more Ghana for, more show, more programs. Because of what the day, Ghana the negative news and extended. It at the day would into the more show more. And a moment of views, no. One saying to the moon to be winning award be I want them to win. Yama Ghana Journalist Award no. Can it not really call you more moody at them? Won't say award no. But look at Gabo, that young girl from TV3, the Journalist of the Year Award no. And she see those who are awards the bring TV3 News English and what they call GTV. Johnny Hughes will never be. There was somebody at the day. Propaganda at the day. All your journalists know NDC. You will name so NDC. Major NDC journalism. Period. I don't come and make your own. I say me, I'm neutral. And I'm neutral. You know you are not neutral. When you go to your platform, so more money host. We watch your platforms. We watch your Facebook. You are biased. You see, you are politically biased, hypocrites. But you come and sit on radio and tell people, say, oh, you fear God, and you are being honest, and who did you attempt, who you clean, who don't call be some. Now you can't say no tickle pie. Ghana, assembly ba. Onyaba trabe wahi. Some media houses be who beg umotube dere. Me sa na me amadi o. Me no bia. Me ya dia me tra ha na makana mayo. Sa na me yo. Me no wie beka baby. You see oye responsible journalist. No name the ethics. Never study contempt of law, contempt of court. Now you show journalism, media law. Before we go court, no. Can you also be but the moment you go court, cease fire. Because the issue is now in court, so that court will deal with it. And advice of the media houses. Into watch here. Before me force I think I court no. Better have fire no. But in the court. I said the court ought to be calm. But the moment I said no court to pen cease fire. Must be the metuma kama come for court. Once medical court to pen say me na court the space, the respect to determine the issue. Into me kawasem. That is obia only media law. You see, because my media law for 21 years, they want to be for contempt. You can't even beat me on defamation. No way. Nobody to be. Who sue me? I'll defend myself. Because I'm a media law guru. And most of my cases, they are defending media law people. But I'm not trusting any BBA against the media ethics and profession. I am going to respond big. I'm going to make news airline. Because some radio stations are going to face serious. And the owners of the stations make a amona. But then I form. So news no I started say about meeting the mechanism. Some media houses are going to face the law. Their owners will not sleep because the Muntie Treno, the Chief Justice, Sophia Akufu, see media house owners, board members, plus officers of every media house. So what can I say? Now, o journalists for wo o broadcast journalists for o panelists for engaging in disrespecting the quota, you be held responsible. Until you may Ampaw say Ghana media houses any owners no and me maba educative atumfu. We a media house owner. Mon sheni amo journalists for na ye. Mon sheni amo news reporters na ye. Mo ni omechi. Mo vampires wo mu. Mo incompetence wo mu. Mo agenda bi wo mu. Mo station dey be a court. Dey be the station no court. Now just say so who said there's a problem. You better tell me for the mo honest no. The law will come at you. If you so Ghana journalists for, and then the makanya ya chiremo, and the truth na maka, munim say, do ano munye pepepe, munim say do ano journalism no siliti ase, a bon kun, mu ethics ni ejuma, ma vampires and blackmailers, mankasa munim, the most corrupt institution. Is not the judiciary. It's not the legislature. It's not the executive. It's not the religious bodies. It's not the chieftaincy institution. It's not a politician, but rather the journalism profession, the media houses. You are the problem. You are the problem of Ghana. And Ghana be ye, Ghana be experiencing stability. Ghana be say about 80% each number so. Because muye mojume year, o man be ye. Muye mojume year, e be move forward. Muye mojume year, o man be tintim. Muye mojume year so a Ghana for better say na ma papa.